shit.
Okay, we're doing a little Satsuma, which is like a mandarin orange mojito. So we're doing limes. We're gonna go with these oranges. Now, in Louisiana, they have Satsuma, which is this type of mandarin. I think this is close enough that I could find in the market. But the reason we're doing Satsumas is because I found this really cool rum from Louisiana, and I thought it'd be kind of a cool vibe to play off Satsuma and the Louisiana rum and a refreshing minty mojito-y cocktail. So we're just gonna juice up these Satsuma and the limes. Okay, I got no cocktail shaker, so we're going with the mason jar, old school. A little of this lime mandarin orange juice in the bottom. Throw down some rum. Might as well kill it. We're gonna give it a little spike of hot sauce to make it a little spicy. One good trick is to just bang on the mint like that, gets the essential oils going. A couple fresh mint leaves in there. Now I chilled the mason jar, that's why it's sort of a little foggy to keep everything ice cold. Throw in a touch of this sugar, although you don't need much. Okay, let's ice it up. So we're gonna shake this, pour this right into the glasses. I've got a couple chilled glasses. So for the soda, I'm going with Boylan's, nice brand. They make a good product. It looks kind of good if you're doing a cocktail party or something like that. So top it up with seltzer. Now you can muddle pre-seltzer or pre-soda water, but I always just do it with seltzer in. I mean, I don't know, why not flavor the whole thing with the mint? Get more of the flavor going. Okay, I got one of these frothy chilled glasses. And bang, there you go. And that's basically it. You got your chilled Satsuma, mint, you got some Louisiana rum in there, refreshing cocktail, killer for the summer, for the spring. Gets you pretty boozed up too.